The secret of the golden shell. In a small fishing village by the sea, there was a legend about a golden shell hidden deep beneath the waves. The villagers believed it could grant a single wish to anyone brave enough to find it. Lila, a young girl who loved the ocean, dreamed of finding the shell. Every day she helped her father fish, but her heart always longed for adventure. If I find the golden shell, she thought, I'll wish for our village to never go hungry again. One morning while walking along the shore, Lila found a strange map washed up on the sand. The paper was damp but still readable. At its center was an X marked near a coral reef not far from the village. Lila's eyes sparkled with excitement. She showed the map to her father, who smiled but warned her. Be careful, Lila. The sea is beautiful but also unpredictable. With his blessing, Lila set out on her small boat, rowing toward the reef. The water grew clearer as she approached, and colorful fish darted below. She donned her goggles and dived in, clutching the map. Underwater, the world was magical. Swirling corals, shimmering schools of fish, and sunlight dancing on the ocean floor. Following the map, Lila swam deeper until she found a small cave. Inside, she saw something glimmering in the sand. It was the golden shell. As she reached for it, a voice echoed around her. Who seeks the shell and why? Startled, Lila looked around and saw a large sea turtle with wise, gentle eyes. I am Lila, she said. I want to wish for my village to always have enough food. The turtle nodded. Your wish is kind, but remember, the shell's power is meant for those who give as much as they receive. Do you promise to use your wish wisely? I promise, Lila said earnestly. The turtle smiled and allowed her to take the shell. As she surfaced and returned to the boat, the golden shell glowed brightly. Lila whispered her wish, and the shell vanished in a burst of golden light. When Lila returned to the village, she found the ocean unusually generous. Fish swam closer to the shores, and the nets were always full. The villagers celebrated, calling Lila a hero. But Lila knew the truth. The shell's magic wasn't just in granting wishes. It was in teaching her the value of kindness and responsibility. From that day on, Lila and the villagers made sure to share their abundance, never forgetting the sea's gift.